Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I achieve these medium to large twists, aka protective hairstyle. So what you need is a cream, a non-drying gel, a water spray bottle filled with your leave-in conditioner, a wide comb, a fine comb, a pair of hair clips, a pair of scissors, and a paddle brush. I will be using 2 packs of the Jamaican locks from hair brand Sensational, color 27. That also says that is a protective hairstyle, and it costs approximately €11.99. Now the hair texture is very dry, so I will show you in a bit how I prep it, but I will be mixing this together with the other pack that I bought, only one of these, the Soft and Silky, also by Sensational, also color 27, and this one costs like €6.99. So the difference between these two, I'll show you guys in a bit. It has the same hair texture, both are super dry, and only that the one is shorter and the one is longer, and like the shorter version is a little bit brighter. That's it. Now, like I showed you guys, my water spray bottle contains the water and my leave-in conditioner. That's it. Now I'm prepping the hair. I'm gonna cut the longest hair into 2 and show you guys what I use to moisturize it, because it will come in contact with my natural hair and I don't want it to dry. So I'm using my water spray bottle filled with my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use a little bit of my shea butter cream to go in with it and comb it through, so it becomes this nice moisturized texture that won't dry out my hair. That's very important. I've mixed both of the hair together and I like to work in bulk, so I've put all the hairs that I'm going to use on top of my radiator, which is, by the way, not on, but if you have a hair rack you can definitely use it. Now I find it the easiest to twist on washed clean hair, in my case semi-stretched blowed out hair. I've already pre-twisted and sectioned my own hair because it's easier for me just to go ahead and start twisting. As you can see, I've already twisted the rest of my hair. Well, not all of it, but I'm going to show you how I twisted 2 in the front. It's very important to start off with clean parts. You don't want no zigzag lines, you want to work with clean parts. Now if you have the section you're working with, you're going to split that one into two, and you're going to figure out which half goes over first. Now if you're left-handed, probably maybe your left side, or right-handed, first your right hand. Just figure out which half goes over first easily. Now I'm going to show you how it's done the wrong way. As you can see, I've already split my hair into 2 and I'm placing the synthetic hair in the middle. I'm taking my own natural hair and I'm twisting it close enough with the synthetic hair, close to my root, not too tight though. I'm going to do the same thing at my other half. I'm twisting it close to my root. This part you can't go wrong. Now it's this part. As you can see, I'm not twisting it downwards, I'm like flipping it over. And if you're flipping it over and you're not twisting while you're going down, you will get this result and it will frustrate you, like you get really annoyed. Now that's not the results you want. So the correct way is, you have your section you're working with, you have divided into 2, you're twisting it with the synthetic hair close to your root, tight enough, and you're going to do it the same thing. Now I'm twisting outwards, as you can see, and it's tight enough. Now I'm going to twist with that part that goes over first, and I'm twisting. I'm not flipping it over, I'm twisting, and that's the result you're gonna get. And as you're twisting it downwards, you know that your roots are twisting with you. Now you want to take the hair clip, like I told you that you should need, and you're going to place it not too close to your roots, but just close enough so while you're twisting it downwards, your roots are not twisting with you. Now you're just going to continue twisting. Don't flip it over, just continue twisting. You're going to notice at a point, while close to the end, that you're going to need your paddle brush. So you just comb it out and you just twist it all the way down. Easy. You can cut it afterwards or leave it like that. Now you remove your hair clip and you try to move your twist in some directions. As you can see, I can move my twist in all directions, up, down, left, right, all directions. Super. And it's really close to my root. I'm going to show you how it starts. So I take a little bit of gel. I put it around my edges, so it has that smooth grip, you know, on the root. It looks very nice. I'm going to take my brush and comb it out. And afterwards, take my cream, my shea butter in my case, and also place it on my hair and especially on my ends so it won't dry out. Now I'm going to take my water bottle filled with my leave-in conditioner like I showed you guys before. And so I have that moisturized because the synthetic hair is really dry. And now I have the amount I'm going to use. I split my section that I'm working with into two. Then I'm going to place a synthetic hair in the middle of my hair, which is in the middle of my hair, and I'm going to start twisting my hair and the synthetic hair close to my root, like tight enough, not too tight, and twisting it all the way. I'm going to do it the same thing for the other side. I'm going to twist it also, but I'm twisting it one part inwards and the other part outwards. Now you have to figure out if you find it easier twisting it outwards, the both side outwards, or one side inwards and then the other side outwards. As you can see here, really crucial, I'm twisting it over. As I said in the beginning, you should figure out which side crosses, like it's easier for you to twist. So I'm twisting and I can see that my roots are twisting with me. You don't want that because that can hurt. So I place my hair clip not too close to my roots, but also not too far. And as I'm twisting, I can see that my hair is sticking out here and there. So it's really important for you to like take a gel and smoothen that out so it blends really nice with the synthetic hair. And as I'm saying, I'm just twisting it all the way down using my brush towards the end and twisting it down, and that's it, you guys. It's as easy as it looks, but you have to practice. And this is the result. My roots are really tight, not too tight though, and I can move the twist in all directions, which is great. So this is the way I do the invisible method, but with a blonde hair color, so I guess not so invisible. But if I was to use a color close to my natural hair color, you'd absolutely think that it's invisible because of the way the roots and synthetic hair blends with my own natural hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest and come back with the finishing results. If I forgot to mention anything during the video, don't hesitate and ask me questions, or it even might be in the description box, so definitely check that one out. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said before, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks and bye bye.